Introducing the Godwin CD100S Dri-Prime pump. Designed and built for your toughest construction, industrial, and utility jobs, it's the newest member of the Godwin S Series. With improved hydraulic efficiency and innovative features, we've boosted uptime and reduced service time. And with 15% better fuel efficiency, this pump will save money every time you turn it on. Every Godwin S-Series pump comes with our newest Field Smart technology and 24/7 customer support. With advanced telemetry and cloud-based access, you can monitor and control your pump anytime, anywhere in the world, from most computers, smartphones, or tablets. The improved CD impeller can easily handle large solids, while our exclusive Flight N-technologyy non-clog impeller can take on wastewater and all the stringy material that flows with it. Best of all, our one-of-a-kind interchangeable impeller system means you can easily swap from solids handling to non-clog. It's like having two pumps in one. And you can get the pump with or without a sound attenuating enclosure. Outsmart water with the Godwin CD100S Dri-Prime pump.